And douche. Today we have 2020 Topps Stadium Club. Oh my goodness, boys and girls, I love Topps Stadium Club. It is my favorite release. It is the best photography in baseball cards. There is no doubt about it. And I get so excited. I got a hobby box, 2 autos per box, more parallel and Topps Stadium Club Chrome and other goodness in here, a couple other inserts. All I really care about are the 2 autos and the Topps Chrome. Look for Chrome parallel cards. It says so right there on the box. I can't wait. Let's get ripping. I did get a retail box while on vacation and did okay on that, but hoping to get some good hits out of this bad boy here. Of course, there's an oversized box topper, box loader, whatever. I'm not going to worry about the box. You know what? I am going to worry about the box. Let's do it. Please bear with me for just a second. Just for fun and to make it look pretty. Ooh, look at that. I'm gonna save this for the end. Ooh, pack number 1. Topps Stadium Club 2020. 8 cards per pack. Here we go, boys and girls. Alright, let me focus in here on the cards. Kyle Tucker. Sean Murphy, rookie. Look at these beauts right here. Ooh, there we go. We got Jose Abreu. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to... There we go. That looks much better. Look at this guy right here, Hank Aaron. Adam Wainwright. Uh-oh. Black parallel, black foil, Adam Wainwright. I was hoping it wasn't a auto. Verlander. Yasmani Grandal. There we go. Beautiful cards. I mean, look at this photography. Look at Verlander, for crying out loud. Just beautiful. Pack number 2. Aquino. Rookie. Buster Posey. There we go. Ohtani. Bash and Burn. Parallel. Ooh, Dustin May rookie. Ohtani. Bash and Burn. Parallel. Dustin May rookie. Castellanos. Now there's parallels. I'm not gonna zoom in here, but there's photo variations on some of these as well. So I'll be going through there later and checking the codes at the bottom for any photo variations. Those are always fun. Oh, there's the Chrome. Oh, there's 2 of these stuck together. Ooh, Verlander. Verlander Chrome. Could have hit a little bit better than that. Could have hit a better chrome, but not too bad. But there's the Stadium Club chrome. Very nice looking cards. Victor, that's a black. Oh, look at this guy. It's just sweet cards. Black parallel. Awesome. Let's keep going. So we got the chrome. We got that out of the way. We got some nice black parallels. Diaz, Rook, Yohan Moncada. Ooh, big hurt Frank Thomas. Love me some big hurt. Ozzie Albies, beast, he's sliding in there. Edbert Alzolay, Rook, Bash and Burn, Jose Altuve, Austin Meadows, and Trey Turner. Good stuff. Let's keep going. I just love ripping this stuff, 'cause even the guys that you don't really get excited for normally in flagship, they have sweet pictures. Just makes it fun, more fun to rip. Ooh, Edgar Martinez. Oh, what is this? I'm going to save that one. Giolito. He had a no-hitter the other day. Giolito. Bubba Starling, Rook. I'm going to save that one. I'm going to leave that one there. I don't know what that is, but I think it's something good. Miggy on the back. Jose Canseco. Ooh, Roberto Clemente. Awesome. Jock Peterson. Baez, Rook. Trevor Story. Logan Webb, Rook. Miggy. Please don't be an auto. Nice Kerry Wood red. Kerry Wood red parallel. Kerry Wood red parallel. There he is, boys and girls. Luis Robert. He's not going in the stack. Ooh, that's a clean card too. I love that. All right. I'm excited about that. Stadium Club. Shed Long. Awesome picture. Dustin May. Red parallel. Ooh, look at that. Look at that mop right there. It's beautiful. Kikuchi. Just beautiful. Got Vladdy on the packs, Vladdy on the box. Who do we have here? Lewis Thorpe. I love me some Twins. Tatis Jr. He is beast this year. Byron Buxton. The Minnesota Twins. Bo Bichette. I mean, look at this friggin' card right here, boys and girls. How cool is that? Does it get any better than this? I submit that it does not. Giolito, Emperors of the Zone. Again, no hitter the other night. Nolan Ryan. And then Lewis Thorpe for my Twins. Rook. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So far, so good. I love this stuff. Ooh, look at this guy, Randy Johnson. Pujols. Yamaguchi. Rook. Gregorius. Emperors of the Zone. Zach Greinke. Eddie Rosario for the Minnesota Twins. He had a homer last night. And Randy Johnson on top of a fire engine. Why not? Why not? Next pack. Next pack. Mayhew. I suppose you want to see these pictures. This is not very exciting. Vladdy, there he is. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. What is happening there? Vladdy Jr. Anyway, let's figure out what's going on here. I got two cards stuck together. Whew. I was hoping that wasn't an auto. Austin Riley. And then Power Zone. I actually love these inserts. Power Zone. Shohei Ohtani. Shohei Ohtani. Power Zone. There we go, boys and girls. Let's just keep ripping. I'm not afraid to show you in the back. I'm not afraid. Not a whole lot to look for in 2020. I got my Robert. I got my Bichette. That's all I was looking for. What's this picture? Keuchel. Devers. Tim Anderson. Ooh. Out of 50. We got a numbered Tim Anderson. A numbered Tim Anderson blue. Look at that. That's sick. That is sick. I like that. I like that. Sox have been pretty good this year. Twins just beat them a couple nights in a row. No big deal. But they got quite the lineup now. Quite the lineup now. Dale Murphy, Yu Chang, Rook, Chris Sale, Willie Calhoun, Ozuna, Ken Griffith Jr., Ken Griffey Jr., Power Zone. There we go. Love some Griffey, especially when it's Mariners Griffey. All right, we're getting down there, boys and girls. Last 4 packs. We still have 2 autos to go. We still have 2 autos. I'm running out of space to throw this stuff. So far, I am excited about this box. I would like a black Robert. or a photo variation that I know of. I'm guessing the Sanchez is a red. Yep. Gary Sanchez red. Here we go, here we go. Stan Musial. Oh, no. Oh, no. Dylan Cease, Rook. Getting some Gatorade on him. Trey Mancini. Jake Rogers, red. And I'm guessing this is, yep, Jalen Davis, rookie autograph. There it is. At least it's an on-card auto. At least it's an on-card auto. Let's take a look here. Oh, jeez. 35 homers last year? $35 homers. 306 average. How do I not know about this guy? Not too bad. At least it's not a pitcher. Am I right? Wow. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna have to look into that guy. Alright, let's keep going. Now I'm thinking about this one I have down here. It might be an insert, and we get another rookie or another autograph in one of these two. Let's find out. Let's find out. Oh, sweet! Look at that. It's a sweet picture. Goldschmidt. Alright. Sanchez. See what happens there. George Brett. Giolito. Red. Giolito red. Alright, well, there you go, boys and girls. Last pack out of the box. Let's see what we get here. Let's see what we get here. Okay, well, Nico Horner. Don't have him. Now I have Lux, Horner, Bichette, Robert, Freddie Freeman coming in for a slide, Beaver, he's having a good season. Oh boy, this is the Yamamoto Rook. Actually, what I'm going to do here is this. So this is what I was holding on before. I thought this was an auto. But we got Ronald Acuna. I don't think this is an auto. Nope, in the wings. Ronald Acuna Jr. in the wings. ITW1. Alright. So that means that my auto is in here. And it's not Brendan McKay. It's not Jeff McNeil. It's not the red Castellanos. We know it's not Yamamoto. 3, 2, 1. It is Sheldon Neuse, rookie autograph for the Oakland Athletic Baseball Association. Sheldon Neuse. There you have it, boys and girls. We have Sheldon Neuse. I think that's how you say his name, not sure. And Jalen Davis. Autographs. Those are the two autos out of there. Got the Verlander Chrome. I got my Tim Anderson blue, numbered to 50. I got my Luis Robert right here. Being very careful. I got my Bichette out of there. And just beautiful, beautiful cards. All right, here we go. Oversized box loader. Let's open her up. Last year I got Babe Ruth. Pretty stoked about that one. What do I got here? Oh boy. Cal Ripken Jr. Nothing wrong with that at all. Nothing wrong with that, boys and girls. I love me some Cal Ripken. As always, thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. I love ripping this crap for you. I appreciate you watching, and have a wonderful day.